Hey, my name is Lee. This is a short video about the Signal Hero cellular booster. So here I am pretty much in the mountains here, which I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. But basically it's a pretty remote location and the cellular signal here is really poor. Even trying to have a phone call is difficult with a broken signal, so I needed to do something about it. So I brought the Signal Hero cellular booster, which is working really well. I'm going to show you now. I'll just turn the camera. So that's the tiny house that I live in. This is the little valley here. My office is here. Because it's down in a bit of a valley, it doesn't really help with the signal. It's a little bit better up by the tiny house, but still pretty poor. And so you'll see here, this receives the signal up here. You see there's a little bit of a mast with the receiver. There's a cable that comes off that, comes to inside the cottage. I'll just show you in a little bit more detail. I needed to put it on a mast to get past these trees. They were affecting the quality of the signal. So the mast made all the difference. I tried it just on the end of the building and had to come through all these trees, and it worked and it was better than what it was. But I put it on a mast and just propped it up in the sky and found that the signal was much better. So to be honest, mounting it a little bit higher than what it is now was giving me a slightly better signal, but that's plenty good enough. So I was only getting 1 to 2 bars and now I'm getting 4 to 5. So I'm going to show you inside the cottage here. And so the cable is just coming in here and it is running along behind here, and then it hops up on this shelf, stops here. I've got a electrical socket up here that the booster is plugged into. So there's only an in and out cable. It's plug and play. It is very simple. This is the boosting the signal inside the space and giving me a signal inside the space. I've got it set up here for you to see. This is the signal quality that I'm getting. This is just measuring it. This is a tablet, but it's a cellular tablet, so it's basically just a really large phone. And so if I hop up on this table here, you see it there. There's the cable. Here the actual device is. And so there's the cable coming in from the roof, plugs in here, and then it comes out there and goes to that device there, which needs to be ideally on your signal. I did have it just sitting on top here and it did also work. It has a little plug-in transformer here that's powering the unit. So if I turn this off, I can show you what's happening with the actual signal. So if I turn it off, you'll see the signal will basically, there you go. That's what I was getting. See, that's only a 1 bar. Barely good enough for anything at all. So come back up here, turn the unit on. There's the unit back on. Got to wait a second for the signal to actually come back on. And there you go. Back to that, which is showing us 4 bars, good quality signal. So if you're struggling with your cellular signal, I highly recommend getting one of these. It's a well-priced unit, worth every penny. Once it's installed, it's done. This one is working on all of the networks, so any of my clients that come here will be getting a good signal down here, which is very useful. And so, yeah, I do highly rate the Signal Hero cellular booster. So if you're having problems, get yourself one. Thanks for watching. Bye.